Hey, don't click away. I wanted to share with you that I am now doing a giveaway to my subscribers and my viewers on this channel. I will be using Gleam in order to do the giveaway, so just interact down there below with all the ways to get entries, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. And keep watching my channel for more ways to enter for more giveaways. In fact, it would be best if you subscribe so that you don't miss a giveaway. This giveaway, I will be giving away one of my cards that I got here. It is specifically the Charizard V-Star card. If I can show it to you here. It's in here somewhere. Allow me to look for it. It's this card right here. Ain't she a beaut? Yeah, there it is. You can see it. I got it from boxed.gg. And that is where I'm probably going to be getting almost all of my Pokemon cards from the future because I'm addicted to opening their boxes. You should get addicted to it too. I will post my link in the description for the code to get extra gems for both of us, and that'll be a good day for everyone involved, I think. So, long story short, watch my content, enter the giveaway, subscribe so that you don't miss the opportunity to get even more giveaways, and let's just let everyone have fun with Pokemon cards. All right, enough with enough with just chatting with post editing Dustin. Off to the rest of the video. Bye bye. Hello, my amazing spider friends, and welcome back to another video with the Rainbow Gamer. Now, today we will be doing a video on a website that I like to frequent called boxed.gg. It's this website where you can obtain cool cards. I mainly go for the Pokemon cards, even though I'm not fully like I've never played the Pokemon game. I just like collecting things, and I like doing it in this manner, because you spend gems, and you spin boxes to win cards, and the cards have like a gem value, as like you can see in this box. Like this top one right here has a value of 25.5 thousand gems. Very high value card, but it's also very hard to get. And as it is so hard to get, it is very high in value and it's very rare. I actually did the math on this, and if you spun 100 boxes, which is like 9,000 gems, you would get this at least twice, possibly even a third time, because it's a 2.5 chance out of 100. And this is a limited time Halloween box that they have opened up. One of these two right here, these are two of the Halloween boxes. And as you can see right here, there are more coming soon. And there's obviously more than just Pokemon cards. There's also Magic the Gathering cards. All this stuff. It's a lot of gems to get into this, though. I've never personally tried spinning any of these, but I would if there was interested in it. There was interest in it. If I could talk, please. That's part of my job here. Yes, let's go back to the Pokemon cards because that's where I'm interested in being today. What I want to do is I have, as you can see up here, I have 3,200 some gems saved up. I did that by doing trivia in the chat, which you can see over here, in order to use the chat. Say hi to everybody in the chat. Cool, I know you probably watch these videos. Hi to yourself. He's an amazing guy. If you don't know him, you should go subscribe to him. I'll probably leave his link to his channel in the description of my video. And if I do happen to get a big pull from the things I'm about to do today, you're welcome to clip them and put them in one of your videos for like a compilation, if you would so like. Just make sure to link back to my channel as one of the people in the compilation, you know. You're a bigger YouTuber than me. I need the promo. And on top of doing the trivia, I've also been spreading my affiliate link, which is this page right here. This is something you can do. You make your referral code here and submit it, and you get this referral link. But if someone types the code when purchasing gems, you get 1% of all the gems that they use. And something that's commonplace here, as you can see right here, Cool just did it. We all sort of switch each other. See, this is my code right here. Thanks, dude. We all sort of share each other's codes when buying things so that everybody gets extra gems while we're waiting on more ways to get gems other than just doing trivia in the chat. For the sake of the video, I will be keeping the chat closed as it takes up a lot of space on the screen, and I want to be able to feature all the goodness. Now, as it is getting close to Halloween, I feel like I want to open a bunch from the ghost box to try to get Gengar. But let's see if the other one, the darkness one, is any good. I doubt it because it's less than 30 gems, so that tells me the chances are, yeah, that's like 30, 60, 90. That's over a 90% chance to get nothing, essentially, so that's not good. But with this one, we might have a better chance of getting something good. I've been opening demo open pulls all day. So like for example, and it does more than one demo pull, it operates just like an open box. But just for demonstration purposes for you here, I'll show you this. I use the demo pulls to gauge about how long it would take to get something good or how many spins it would take to get something good. So if I click the 5 here and I click demo open, it gives you this warning that this is not a real box. This is for demo purposes only. It'll start spinning it as if it was a real box. But it's not. Okay, I get that. And it'll open all of the boxes that I selected. If I get something good on this demo pull, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, that's decent. Not great, though. That's trash. Also trash. Decent. Okay, so as you can see, I got 2 decent pulls, and the rest were kind of garbage. But in doing so, I kind of like net gained some gems here, so it's not a bad box to play with, especially if the hack that I learned can be used. So, what I want to do, since it's so close to Halloween, I think I'm going to blow all my gems on the ghost box for a bit and see if I get it. I said I wanted to do this for the content, and that's exactly what I am doing. With that said, let's begin. And let's see if this is exactly where I wanted it to be. Nope, not good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me something decent here. I hope this doesn't end up being a complete waste. Okay, that was good. Hopefully the ghost box can be profitable. Okay. Last box, here we go. Mm. Okay, so I got a Coffargus. I think I know what that is. And a Chandelure. I know generally what these ones are. Not the Houndstone, though. I haven't been all with Pokemon in a while. Now, the tip I was given is to not sell any of my cards. So we're just going to dismiss this and just open the next boxes. I was advised again to reroll, and I think that's good advice. For the thing I'm going to show you at the end of this, should I get some decent gem value of trades. Come on, let's do this. Okay, that's good. I don't think I'm gonna hit the Gengar. If I hit the Sable, I think I'd be lucky. But I'm just looking for something that's at least like 200 gems, or even the 99 gem one for like a profit of gems. That was terrible. No dismissal. Let's roll him again. Let's do it. Come on. Yes, is that okay? Did I? Okay. I wanted to make sure I didn't off-center the recording. Almost got the 400 gem one. Did any of my hits? Nope. I'm gonna be real sad. I saved up all of these gems and I'm wasting it on nothing. I don't think I'm gonna hit the Gengar, but I want to. I wish I could. I got nothing that. Well, no, I got that one thing. Okay. Don't worry. After this, I'm gonna show you something that will hopefully make this all worth it. Even the trash holes. Mm. If I can get one Sableye, that would be huge. There's a Chandelure. Mm. At least give me a Chandelure. Did I get nothing that round? I actually got nothing. Okay. Still not gonna sell it. Because I have a better thing to get, hopefully, a better chance of getting something good. Come on. Keep spinning. Oh, I'm almost out of gems. I only got like 2 more rounds in me. Because as you can see, to roll it 5 times, it costs 450 gems. Ooh, I got a bit. Not great. Not great at all. Ghost screwed me hard. Chandelure. Okay, that might be my one good roll. I'm not expecting to get anything good from this. No. Sable. There, and it shows up in the chat too when you get a big hit. You see that? That's me. Okay, that was big. That was big right there. Okay. Can we get the Gengar? Just open 35 boxes. I said you'd have to open 100 to get 2. Darn, I was bad. Oh, I forgot it's still spinning. But that was big. Yeah, I'm not gonna get anything else good, am I? It's in the code, I guess. That's not bad. Okie dokie. Okay, so now I no longer have enough gems to spin this one. How many boxes of this one can I spin? Let's just spin the other one just to waste down the last few of them. 2 boxes. Okay. Sure, why not? It's gonna be crap chances, but yeah, I didn't think it was going to be good. That Sableye could have got us some big stuff. Okay. And just for lulz, should we do the hunt? Yeah, let's do it. Just to say we did and we tried. Let's roll it once. More than likely we're gonna get this or this. But if I hit this one time and it was crazy, can we get lucky again? Let's do it. New box data received, try again. Okay. Sometimes that happens. Let's do it. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Now, since we spent all the gems, let's go to our inventory and see what we got. We have 39 different cards. All of them relatively high value. Well, not all of them. Some of them relatively high value, and some of them not. I even have a Regigigas V from the past time that I didn't fit it into my withdrawal. Let me just check something quickly here. How many gems? Ooh, that's beyond VMAX. I want this card so bad. But let me just check something to make sure that it's legit. Okay, my spider friends on the World Wide Web. This actually works. I heard a tip that if you type exchange on the end of the link in the URL, I'm pointing at it with my finger, the URL in the search bar, you go to it, you can actually go to the exchange. And from here, you can exchange your cards for something of higher value. So, for example, I don't really care about this Regigigas V-Star. And I don't really care about this Sableye or any of these. So, like, let's just see how many gems this all would be worth. Is there a way to select them all? There should be a way to select them all. And I said that there's not. All right, let's just go through, get them all. And see what we can get. Too many admins, max 10. Okay. Okay, so apparently you can only exchange up to 10. Let's get this fixed. Okay, 2,096 gems. I see. What can I get for 2,000 gems? It's like worth anything. Oh, wait, let's go to my inventory. Sort high to low. And go to this. Let's sell all these. Just because we're not gonna get anything good and we can use them in the trade. I know it was advised against selling to re-roll, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm selling to add gem value to the trade because I can't exchange more than 10, but I can add gems to the exchange to balance it out. That's what I learned. Sell them all. Ooh, that scared me. Okay, so boxedGG / exchange. And then let's select all this again. I'm real interested in getting like Charizards. Okay, so I got about 3,000 gems. So, no. Reshiram and Charizard? And Charizard VMAX. Oh wait, can I only exchange to one card? That's weird. Okay, so there's obviously some rules. Wait, can I get a Dialga? Dude, no way, Origin formed Dialga. That looks sick. Okay, so I will trade all of these cards that I won from the thing to an Origin form Dialga. That's a very high value card, I think. And I press this exchange button. Not only that, but I will receive the gems back that I lost to spinning. Exchange successful, view inventory. And now instead of all those cards, I have an Origin form Dialga V, alternative full art card, hollow foil. And since we have some more gems, and I'm an addict and I haven't done this for a week, I'll spin as many boxes as this will give me. It'll give me 3. Okay, let's do it. Let's see if we can get anything good. Come on. Yeah, I'm probably not getting nothing good. Nope, as expected. Since they're worth nothing, I guess I'll sell all these. You know what I haven't done in a while? Let's see. I haven't tried the Galarian Chase one. How good is this box? I just want to use up all my gems before I cut off this video. Oh yeah, this one's bad. Real bad. There's a reason why it's Chase, I guess. All the Chase boxes are kind of... The Psychic box is pretty good. I've gotten some good stuff out of this. Problem is, I really want an EV, specifically an Espeon, but I can't get one. I can't guarantee I'll get an Espeon from the Psychic box. This one is always some sort of evolution, but the odds are kind of skewed now to not get them. It used to be a lot easier to get them, and now you just can't almost. Like, watch what I'm saying. If I get anything good, I'm going to genuinely be shocked. It's going to be nothing, I tell you. No way I was so close. God dang it. So that one. Dismiss. Right? Well, as you can see, I'm very addicted to this because I spent almost 30 minutes just explaining how the site works and opening boxes, but this is something that I have very near and dear to my heart, even after, even though I haven't been on it in like a week, and even after, hold on, let me check. I want to make sure no one's texting me to be quiet because it's almost midnight and I'm recording this. I wanted to record this video all day, and I'm just getting around to doing it now. But yeah, am I'm kind of a gambler, and this site just like scratches that itch for me. Yeah, so the site just scratches that itch for me, and pretty much the community has been very friendly and helpful, and I feel very welcome and accepted into it, and that's something I've always craved. So even though I kind of throw a lot of money at this site to like get good spins and win a bunch of gems, um, I'll probably even play off camera to see if I can get anything good. But yeah, this is something I think I'm going to continue to make content on. I'll even post videos of like the cards that I get when I physically get them, because I've gotten them before. I've got the pack from my last withdrawal right here. So it's proof in the pudding that you do get them. Even if there are some hiccups with delivery, like everything coming in 1 penny sleeve or something like that. But that's not the fault of Boxed. That has to do with TCG player being stupid. And I don't really 100% care about the cards being actually near mint. I'm just sort of collecting them. But anyways, that's about it. I'm probably gonna, as soon as I finish this, buy some more gems to spin some boxes that I've never spun before and have my own fun with it and make some more content with it some other time. But yeah, you saw how the exchanging works, and I'm gonna make some more exchanges at some point to get some really good cards. And I'll leave my referral code in the description. I will leave my referral link in the description, as well as a link to my previous video where I showed that I actually got the card. I will also link a link to the Discord, because if you look down here, there is a Discord link right here, and you click that and you get sent straight to the Discord. But I will be linking that in the description of the video, the link to the Discord. That being said, I don't have anything else to say, so I love all you guys, gals, and non-binary pals, and I will see all you spider friends of the World Wide Web in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, it's Post the Rainbow Gamer here after the start of the video. I just had something that I needed to show you real quick. So we'll cut back to the website so that you'll see what I mean. If you will all look at the screen now, you will see that there were some cards in there that were not there when I cut off the end of the video. After I logged out, I was addicted to spinning because I hadn't done it in a week, and I did some more spins. I won this in the Charizard chase, which is this little fucker right here. I've been spinning that for days and never got anything. But finally managed to get the highest probability Charizard at 0.3% chance. It's only 1.1k gems, but it was so worth it because I finally hit something in the Charizard chase. The unfortunate thing is it didn't show up in the chat like it was supposed to, which is unfortunate. The other thing was I also did the Galarian chase, which is this one. And this odds is just terrible. It's like over 90% you're not going to get crap, but I got this thing. And I'm very happy with that. After my abysmal time with actually getting hits in the video. I don't know why. I don't know why it was that bad for the video, but I don't know. For the content, I guess. But anyway, that is the true end of this video. And I will see all of you guys, gals, non-binary pals in the next one. Bye-bye.